In this exercise, we are going to see the advanced data analysis using MS Excel, that is logical functions. In Excel, if and or, these three are logical functions. The if function will check whether the given condition is true or false. If it is true, then it will give you the output as correct. If it is false, then it will give you as output as incorrect. Then the unfunction will give if both the conditions are true, then only it will give you as correct. The output will be as correct. In our function, it will check both the conditions. If either of the condition is true, then it will give you as correct. In unfunction and R function, the main difference is unfunction will give you output as true if both the conditions are met, whereas in R function, either of the condition is met, then it will give you the output as correct. So just one condition is enough for R to give you the output as correct, whereas for unfunction both the conditions should be met, then only the output will be returned as correct. So here I have given in A3 cell and B3 cell two values just to check whether it is above a particular value. So let us proceed with the if function. The formula goes like this. You can follow the formula bar, or you can also follow the formula which is typed here. Type equal to, then type if, open the round bracket, then A3 greater than 10. I am giving a condition to check Excel whether the value available in A3 is greater than 10. If so, then the output should be as correct. You have to give how it has to be printed. The output will be printed as correct. So for that you have to give within quotes. The moment you type within quotes, Excel will understand that you want it to be printed, you want it to be returned it as output. Then type comma. If this condition is not met, then the what will be the false output? The false will be, if this condition is false, then the output will be incorrect. Then close the bracket, press enter. You will be getting the output as correct because the value in A3 is greater than 10. That the value is greater than 10, so it is appearing as correct. Let us check with some other value. Let's say I am typing 9, then the output will be incorrect, right? Just check. Here you can see in C3 column the condition if, it has become as incorrect. So this is how you can check with if function. Let us proceed with unfunction. As I told you, in unfunction you can check more than one condition. So here I am going to check whether the value in B3 is greater than 5 and value A3 is greater than 10. So here the formula is given. So type equal to, open the round bracket, and then type and. You are giving additional logical function here. Type and then the moment you type and, the keyword will appear. You can click it, automatically a round bracket will open. Otherwise you have to type the round bracket. Then type the round bracket, type A3 greater than 10 and then B3 greater than 5. Close the round bracket. This you are closing the unfunctions inputs. You are closing the unfunctions logical functions. So close the round bracket. Then type what could be the output, how it should be appeared in your output. Then within quotes type correct. If the logic is correct, then if the logic is true, it will be appearing as correct. If both the conditions are not met, then either of the conditions are not met also, it will give you the output as incorrect. Close the bracket and close the round bracket. So here we have to be careful with the Excel formula. How many times we are opening the round bracket, so many times we have to close as such. Then press enter. You will be getting the output as incorrect. The reason is, in A3 cell the value is greater than it should be 12. The value is correct, the value is greater than 10, but in B3 cell the value is not greater than 5. Since it is 3, it is not greater than 5. So either of the condition is not met, then the false output, So this condition is false. So the output for the false statement is incorrect. So the incorrect word is appearing here. Let us move on to the R function. The R function will work as I told you earlier. The value is returned if any one of the statement is true. So here the same formula as we used in R function, except the keyword we have to use R. Instead of and, we have to use R. So the formula goes like this: type equal to, type if, open the round bracket, type OR, then again open the round bracket, A3 greater than 10, comma, B3 greater than 5, close the round bracket, type comma, then within quotes type CORRECT, close it, comma, within quotes incorrect. If the statement is false, then incorrect should appear, then close the round bracket, then press enter. So here the value is appearing as correct. The reason is R function will return the output if any one of the condition is met. Since A3 is greater than 10, the value appeared, the output appeared as correct. Thank you.